The inflation rate for certain prime commodities of the country have slowed down and is already being felt by consumers, especially those who regularly purchase rice. Noel Talakay tells us more.
Jonalyn Langurayan will buy rice for this week's supply for her family. She says that because she buys rice weekly, she can say that there is a decline in its price.
Dati po kasi yung binibili kong bigas is 58. Ngayon po ay 52 na lang. Sa loob ng 2 buwan na steady naman siya na 52 na.
She says that she buys 25 kilos of rice every week. That's why the decrease in its price has a huge impact on her budget, especially since she is a single parent and she is providing for the needs of 6 members of her family.
Malaking tulong sa akin yun, lalo na ngayong solo parent lang ako.
According to the latest report of the Philippine Statistical Authority or PSA on the inflation rate of the country this month, the inflation rate of rice, because of the decrease in its price of late, has slowed down. To be more clear, its rate is at negative 16.9% this month compared to negative 17.0% last August 2025. The agency is optimistic that this will continue until the end of 2025.
Mayroon tayong double digit pa rin, no? Yung nakikita natin sa ngayong buwan, itong last month of September. Ito ay nasa 16.9, previous in August, 17.0. Una, may base effect, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin kasi yung pagbaba ng presyo, particularly sa world market.
There is also a significant slowdown of the inflation rate for the price of corn, as it tallied negative 4.5% this month compared to negative 11.8% in the month of August. However, there is an acceleration of the inflation rate looking at the month-to-month data or comparing it from August to September this year. According to PSA, transportation is one of the main sources of the acceleration of the inflation rate this month. This is because almost a weekly price increase in fuel. Restaurant and accommodation services also has a huge share in the inflation pie of the country. And food, particularly vegetables, because it was extremely affected by the virus weather disturbances that hit the country this past few months. The agency is also expecting that the high prices of vegetables will remain until this coming months, since there are still the threat posed by weather disturbances that might affect the country.
Itong mga pag-ulan at pagbaha, particularly doon sa mga vegetable producing provinces natin. So may impact ito noong August at itong Setyembre.
Meanwhile, in a statement, Secretary Arsenio Balisacan of the Department of Economy, Planning and Development, or DepDev, said that his agency has already coordinated with concerned government agencies to ensure a sufficient supply of food and to strive to keep the prices of basic commodities low. He also states that the Department of Agriculture will be establishing food corridors such as greenhouse storage and post-harvest facilities to eliminate hindrances of food supplies such as vegetables. However, there is a slowdown of the year-on-year inflation rate in the country, as it shows 1.9% in September 2024 compared to 1.7% this September 2025. PSA also emphasized that this month's inflation rate is still within the target of 2025 inflation rate, which is 2.0%. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for New Better Philippines.